Live tha dekho. Report out thong itong. Okay se hauzi. Ngarang gi dagi akhoi walhaw rise simple harmonic motion da. Simple harmonic motion gi da time taken hai tare time nai nabam wale. Amana angular simple harmonic motion, that is pendulum gi ma wale. Ani dong asi nai narazi. Complex oiba question khara makhal khara hai tare. Adu ma hayeng nai narani. Adu ga lotion doi neba simple harmonic motion. So aho bada thazi. Aho bagi oina tharo. Time taken to reach a point ko. Time taken to reach a point nama yobada matam kyam changi from min position dagi jaga ama khakta yawngai chatpada hai tare. How much time it will take adu ne khoi ngasi nai dois. Koina mamang du haira me representation of simple harmonic motion in a straight line du da adugi diagram hai tare, diagram macha du da question ayamba da loina base tawrakane ba. So whenever they ask to find nangi position, velocity, energy, always usugi high rising to hanam tan naina go figure to the yauriba situation sing to oibra. Oi the targana tangai fadrakan the equation to the giholak tare. I am banadi oiram ganeva, yeng zebuko. Adakhoji min dagi any zagama yongai chapata. Matam gam sanga the gave the putoke haradi. Engal putopai ngarang neomum higre. Nasina smicin as ever, use haraga. There is a relation between phase difference, part difference, and time difference. अखोन phase difference का path difference का relation इवा कांदा कमा इगी phase difference divided by complete cycle द चंगबा नगी angle phase हाडी angle नद्रा complete loop अमगी angle तो क्या नो 2 pi अनमाइन तो उधर ना path difference हागी हाई कांदा दी complete loop अमदे सत्पा distance वो कोई ना wave length हाई लोग रहे wave की द को we are not going to use this now. Time lom da hairadi kama hini kama haini complete loop amada nangi changba matam do kaino time period. So we are going to use this. From this sidage khoina time taken delta t putho ke hardi t do somda lakpa yaraba delta 5 by 2 pi into capital T. So C never use C na this. So let's use this. Tharo somda side the side e rosina kamai lakhe mano khangna ba use haraga delta t equals to delta pi by 2 pi into capital T. T is the time period. T is the time period. Understand that? T is the time period. Now what do you sidagi? Sidagi sida. The situation khara nahi na raji. Ahan bada sma haiji. Add T equals to A haidana. Sorry. X equals to A. X equals to A highway artadi nagi extreme point do nadra. Extreme point wo chat pakanda matam kayam sangi si nahi nagi hardi. Ahan bada angle hana khangde. Yung ningsing may am like razani sizu. Angle haragadi approximately nagisi akoina mamangda pi hai approximately nate pi hai gi budune ba delta pi is matang de pi zo dum irase pi kya ta gi haro extreme da pi by 2 hai daine pi by 2 90 degree अब तड़ी ना कि टाइम क्या तारा मने दे डेल्टा t इक्वल्स टू सिंजलो डेल्टा pi by 2 pi into capital T नत्रा डेल्टा pi क्या नो pi दो pi by 2 divided by 2 pi अदुका capital T ले रहा pi pi का खरगा लासा क्या ता हुए हरो t by 4 good hauji ke na I kahan explain tau hero ke si process dum sakiji aduga hairak ke combine hayang khangani sim da sala roi daune direct I daune now the next x equals to a by 2 hai river jaga du da yonai hona bada min dagi always akoina measure tawri je kadai daino haro from min dagi na hai riba point du ho yobada matam kyam changi adune nai nai ji add x equals to a by 2 sida di angle kaya no tagi bado haro delta phi abadi phi du kaya tagi baro 30 degree which is pi by 6 then delta t kya tane haro Delta pi by 2 pi into capital T. Delta pi is pi by 6 divided by 2 pi into capital T. क्या तारे दूध हरो? T by 12. T by 12. Next अदुदी सिदगी दी खरगर observation तब हवराजी मागी लेरिवर rules है कमाई निंगसन गने अदुजो high रसे करीगुम्बा add x equals to a by root 2 ओइरमदी सिदा नंगी एंगल तो क्या नो हरो आई pi अदुम डायरेक्ट इबा हो गया which is pi by 4 और डेल्टा t क्या था समझ लो डेल्टा pi की मौत pi by 4 सिलो pi by 4 divided by 2 pi into 3 अदरो pi pi का खरगा क्या था हरो t by 4 सिदा इधर कहीं ऑब्जर्व टोंग हमरे हूँ एंगल तो ना pi by 2 होएगा अंदर टाइम क्या होए t by 4 pi by 2 t by 4 एंगल दोनों pi by 6 होएगा अंदर टाइम ना t by 12 pi by 6 t by 12 2 मल्टीप्लाई दो रहा हूँ pi by 4 टाइम दा क्या है रो ऐसे सॉरी t by 8 4 8 6 12 2 4 कमाल लाइन होता है pi जो दा t को कन्वर्ट तो उगरे है अगर लास्ट का लाइन हो 2 ना मखा दा डिवाइड तो बना तो obviously सिर्फ 2 हम याव तो 2 pi की 2 दोनों ने डिवाइड तो रही दो और फाइनली डायरेक्ट ई रो बदुदी रूट 3 by 2 a ददी फाइ दो क्या नो हरो pi by 3 60 और डेल्टा डी क्या तार मन हरो t by 6 that's it now अदुदी फाइनल लोइन अखोय डायग्राम दी क्लासी representation of simple harmonic motion in a line that is a final diagram information लोई शुरे ये रहे यार बस फिगर टू दगी कोई यारिंगे क्वेश्चन हो तो इने कोई दे सो थारो representation of simple harmonic motion in a line representation of simple harmonic motion in a line यारबो हौजिकी इग्री मैम जिनो सीधा डायरेक्ट इसलाज है so representation of simple harmonic motion representation of simple harmonic motion in a line line amada represent awraze hoje min dagi hawraze let's start from min this is min min hardi x equals to क्या नो हरो 0 एंगल द हर ना क्या नो हरो 0 सिवो दं खंगो चले चले मथंग द कानानो थेंगना बदो x equals to a by 2 हाई रिवर जगह द एंगल क्या नो हरो pi by 6 which is 30 degree 30 ni अब जो खंगो को जा pi by 6 हर कसम उगिदना pi by 6 से 30 ni खंगो दबगी मथाम साब जाओ नेक्स्ट हरो x equals to क्या नो a by root 2 angle is pi by 4 which is 45 degree next haro x equals to root 3 by 2 a the angle क्या नो haro 60 which is pi by 3 last haro x equals to क्या a the pi द क्या pi by 2 सिबाव नजर लाइजा ममांग द ngasa अखोइन हागे बदो min दगी a by 2 हो चटप कांदा टाइम टेकन दु नत्रो खोइना डेल्टा t e हेबदो सिन नत्रो जा min dagi a by 2 that is pi by 6 power चटप कांदा how much time क्या संगे हवा t by 12 अब सिदगी ना सी भाव के मर के टाइम दो इमेजिन तौसलो 2 सेकंड नि हाइदना सपोज 2 सेकंड संगे खलो अदु इतारगदी min दु द नंगना t equals to 1 second ओइरमदी सिगी पोजीशन द टाइम क्या होइने हरो 3 second यदि मागी टाइम टेकन दु 2 ओइदो नत्रो टाइम दो सिदा नंगना 5 second ओइरददी सी टाइम क्या होइम थोपा 7 second होइम थोकरो टाइम गैप तो गंगने बा इंपोर्टेंट है टाइम 0 तो नंग जगह एनी जगह am द 0 इबा कशु काइदे एक्सट्रीम दगा ई गी मरक तसु इनिशियल पॉइंट am ई गिद्रो इनिंग बयु अद सुमाइना सुम इरदी कंफ्यूजन तो वाने बा चखिने बा डिफरेंस मानरदौनिना कांस्टेंट ओयर ले होंगरोइदौनिना इनिशियल टाइम दो जीरो नी है लौसलु तारगदी सीजे डायरेक्ट इबे यारदे तू यारबा यारबो मागे टाइम टेकन टू नी इनिशियल दो जीरो नी लौरु तारगदी सी दum टू लौसन यारेबा so it is much easier ne aduna koina kari harani initial point do sida thamoba t equal 0 tawdabu sida de koy late haide yaroi kai gino sidi compulsory nate ani sidi fix ni ko ja x 0 oirani min da phi 0 oini but time di 0 oidrasu yai do in loksal le kai do bai no time duration iba kanda sigi value do direct iba ya na hairo min dagi a by 2 bhau sat pa kanda matam kyam changi hai pi by 6 bhau sat kanda angle kya time kya changi hai ge t by 12 time duration to t by 12 ni hai bani adu c 0 oi ta ga di sida direct t by 12 iba araba yare adumai tawdana pi by 4 bau da satpa kanda sangba matam kya no haro t by 8 sidana kya sangba t by 6 sidana t by 4 यार बस यहाँ सुमाइना very simple now the velocity is laksi let's write the velocity v क्या होइनी min the maximum ni height है which is nothing but omega times a सीधा दी क्या होई हरो root 3 by 2 b naught सीधा ना क्या नो b दो b is b naught by root 2 सीधा ना b क्या नो b naught by 2 b is 0 कमाई लाकी मुझे हंगानो सी ने वो कने एक्सप्लेन तौरी में आंजी नान दगी नेक्स्ट हारो acceleration दे इधर से तो गया kinetic energy हारो जिता min ददी potential energy 0 न थ्रो and the pull up total energy सिलानी सीधा दी kinetic energy is 3 by 4 of the total energy potential energy is 1 by 4 सीधे हाँ पे आ रहा है को you are not allowed to ask potential का kinetic का it is total energy by 2 सीधे दिखाई रो kinetic equals to total energy by 4 potential ना 3 by 4 of the total energy सीधे ना kinetic energy 0 potential energy is total energy potential यावरक पर जगह दा आई situation खरा ददी modified तौदे यारोय आई हाय रबा potential दा कोई star mark इहन गिबदो so whenever there is a potential in some situation we need to modify it adu the base of question ai hayeng hot kani question ama ka hot ke adu na taba case adi si low in dum sinaw yare sinaro now sima yare there is a complete diagram sidagi hena phajaba diagram ma ai yela noita share tower ki ge adu ma thamjalo exam ge now adu di question ama ka hange simple harmonic motion amada in a simple harmonic motion in one complete nagi cycle da in a simple harmonic motion in one complete cycle total distance covered kya tani and what will be the average speed kya no average velocity kya no hangadi in a simple harmonic motion the in one complete cycle the in one complete cycle the simple harmonic motion gi in one complete cycle the total distance covered kya hoy dono what will be the total distance covered I know what will be the total distance covered yengu se si point ai dot oin namage si minin lawro maji chalurani aduga extreme bau chalurani x equals to plus a bau ba sire lepa la yagadra taro le putarde oscillation kaudre dana halane muk halaga sida muk lep thoki gadra lep boy min the lep hitarde adu oscillation kaudre lep khradi yarabo hendo za khrani hendo e har ga maji x equals to minus a bau chalurani ade mu halak to natra ja adu min bo hale karamba kandano akhona complete cycle lama oire haidoje min dagi saluraga amuk halak pagi min da lay basiro natte sile complete oidre ko sa karam kanda complete haini hendo saluraga horen amuk halak pa kanda total distance kya ata hai total distance in one complete cycle do total distance covered in one complete cycle. One complete cycle की total distance क्या नो है x सीधे शिवा होता a चलू रहा m हलावा m चलू रहे m हले a क्या रहा नुसल इसे 4 times displacement हरागना कमाई तो बा 0 displacement हरागना 0 मतलब starting point initial point माने ना तो अइना सीधा one complete cycle है रे माना half cycle है राती कमाई तो good half cycle है चलू रहे हलावा twice a distance displacement दा 0 now अदुदी अइना सीधा माना है रे total time taken in one complete cycle क्या ताबा शिव नत्रो कोई ना time period है जा complete cycle संगो मतम दो नत्रो कोई ना capital T है जा good this is your total time taken then the average speed क्या आता है what is the average speed had the total distance by time नत्रो 4a by time average velocity had क्या आता है 0 as displacement 0 अब देखो half cycle दी क्या क्या होइदो बसी values है half cycle the average speed is twice a by t by 2 divide na tro yarava t t by 2 half cycle the t by 2 yandarabo on average क्या ताने तुम average है कांदा twice a divided by t by 2 सी तुम तारक पर से तामाने half cycle तो yarava yare and mana hayang any modified tawraga hangning ba hangjarasanu concept clear oiro average speed hierarchy total distance puto divided by time taken do yagadra good velocity hargana displacement by time yare ko sa yare now the theory ayamba loire question holazi question khara holaga koi pendulum ge muk taksi question now tharo e roze aina e ri kan no yo silo ko pun pun sasi topic am lai ri masi tak toba a particle executes simple harmonic motion in accordance with x equals to a sine omega t. A particle executes simple harmonic motion in accordance with x equals to a sine omega t. If t1 is the time taken, by it to reach from x equals to 0 to x equals to root 3 by 2a and t2 is the time taken to reach from x equals to root 3 by 2a to x equals to a. The value of t1 by t2 will be t1 by t2 की वैल्यू तो क्या होएगा देखिए have option number A 2 B the 1 by 2 C the 3 D the 1 by 3 a particle executes simple harmonic motion in accordance with higher period माना P रिवर equation से दगी कोई करी खंगे initially कदाई दे हौरिनो से रे कनो दगी नंगी min दगी कई दो बगी sin omega t plus phi हर इदो नत्रो कोई इदो phi से माने यहोन 3 0 इबन नत्रो so phi 0 से काय दो है min द so it is starting from min ने so t equal to 0 do min द ले रे अदे ngasa कोई ने e गिबदा t equal to 0 e रगा let high गिबदो high दो जारा बा मसाना पीरे अब तो डायग्राम लोम दे एक ठोक से min जी ले रे चल दो रे x equals to A भावबदा यारबा हौजिक माना चल्लु हारिबा जगह जे कदाय भावनो x equals to root 3 by 2a नत्रो min dagi sibok satpa kanda sangba matam do mana t1 haire root 3 by a dagi na root 3 by 2a dagi na a bok satpa time do na t2 ani si ratio naino have natra naina rase t equals to 0 do sida oirabane hanti let idrasu yareba oirabane ko adi sigi value sina kya oida ba angle de kya no haro 0 si angle kaya gi mapano ja 60 which is pi by 3 adi t kya tamne haro t by 6 sina pi by 2 gi time na kya t by 4 from this diagram t1 kya tarni t2 kya tarni makoi ratio kamai khangani from the diagram t1 kaya taum thoya du dia 0 dagina sibo sat pani si t by 6 direct taraba t by 6 minus 0 dang iram gige initial gi du kaya no khangdri initial do hayang atoba pirak pasu ya haba yaraba ani du gi difference no pro ko na du ja it is t by 6 t2 di kya ta do baro t by 6 dagina t by 4 bhogi journey de neba hoji time do kya tare t by 4 minus t by 6 so LCM log to 12 4 na 3t 2t kya tar haro t by 12 यार वो जा then adu targati t1 by t2 kaya tar haro t by 6 divided by t by 12 which is 2 by 1 I guess maina good very simple nana sin niyom sum no holu targati it will be very lengthy o yar oi de haro ge lengthy oi geni hayeng sile equation ga piramanu ne equation piramadi hain haina kharabu phareba equation ga pidana ga hang pa question da matha am sane ko so akoina holiyo method is mai jum holu diagram the base tor holu next yarabo now next question is a particle question a particle executing simple harmonic motion covers a distance of covers a distance equal to half its amplitude equal to half its amplitude in 1 second 1 second magi half of its amplitude hadi a by 2 bhaw natra a by 2 bhaw do nagi 1 second da sali haba then find time period of the simple harmonic motion then find time period of the simple harmonic motion time period of the simple harmonic motion simple harmonic motion dugi time kaya hoigeda ge option number A 4 second B da 6 second C da 8 second D da 12 second kya tane haro 12 kamay no good yung man haise ke no min dagi kadai bok sat pagi timing no man haise half of the amplitude A by 2 hogi yaraba sibok satpa kanda mana sangiba matam do kaya haba 1 second ado koi di khangre si ja koi pi kaya no si jaga je 0 sina pi kaya no pi by 6 30 degree sigi time do 0 ne loro ado sigi do kaya ne loge koi na t equals to t by 12 do sigi time taken hadi si mang na tro ta do se t by 12 ado haro by from the diagram adum haro diagram sida ke hoine kari khange t by 12 sibuk chat pai matam na t by 12 hai ja sibuk kaya nen piba 1 second adu t do kya tare 12 second very simple so one liner ne sigi concept je khangau da bas hatrana uina sangba khakta na tana answer ta one makoi yone luba question hai do ne bazi sigi concept khangau bam khaina very simple question yaraba sida ne amnoi shatra kharna question ji khara mana lui hai do ba same question do khara mana lai hai do ba aduni concept saying gai question will be very simple now question am taga kazabo question am taga what's it yarabo yarabo next haro aina silicon je aina irikan je no siloko the period of a particle the period of a particle executing simple harmonic motion the period of a particle executing simple harmonic motion is 8 second at t equals to 0 time 0 da it is at the mean position adima adum pibiraba min da laire haidana time 0 da mean position da laire haire so it is at the mean position the ratio of the distance the ratio of the distances covered by the particle by the particle the ratio of the distances covered by the particle in the first second in the first second to the second second is first second dagina second suba second da travel toba nangi distance ratio kya hoidono 1 by root 2 plus 1 b da root 2 d da root 2 1 by root 2 c d da na root 2 plus 1 now or particle ama khaki mai time period kya ne haba 8 second time period aine hairum ni ko ja mean position da start tawre jo haire t equal to 0 ni initially it is at rest initially at mean distance is covered by the particle in the first second to the second second hamna tra the first second si ma kadai da leramgani second subdan kai lemne khangai hona je x equal to 0 hairo x equals to a hairo sibon na leido cha x equals to a hairiba jaga si the time do kya hoido hairo t by 4 total time se mana kaya nin p bano 8 ade kya tare si ta 2 second haining is gano da 2 second da sida leire ade akoina mana pame sina ahan bagi second duga ani suba next second hadi si order na tro so next second to the after second it is at this point the first second is why the learning khalo dudi yaraba sigi x to pudok do na tro time do sida 0 low guitar ka sigi time do kya hoido ba 1 second edi si bauze mana 1 second sale hamna tra next ki 1 second do si masana dum si tarane ba nandi sidagi si bau 2 ni haramina yaraba adi isam samna x kya no hana khango khanga matungda sidagi si baudu akoi x1 tholaji mathang giduna x2 hairaji x1 x2 ani ratio na drop dok first second travel to distance second suba second travel to distance ani sig ratio puto avani the x1 x2 khang dona tra x1 x2 khang gedi x khang de yar what is this x khang ge hedi time dagi law ba sig time je kya nen khang ba 1 second see 1 second have the in terms of capital T the kaya no capital T do 8 oitadi 8 the kanan divide to ino me a na so it is T by a ni T by 8 से angle क्या आता है रो pi by 4 अब x क्या आता है a by root 2 so this point is nothing but a x equals to a by root 2 की point है याद आ रहा from the figure haro the loina figure dage hoi kari khange de de x1 je kya tarni first second ki distance kya ta no a by root 2 min dagi a by root 2 bok salam na tro x2 na kya ta do ba a minus a by root 2 ani suba second suba second ki understand doro ba अब दे हारो thangdu thangin khara sanara kanda root 2 minus 1 a by root 2 यार वजह so therefore adudi x1 by x2 क्या तार है a by root 2 लो इनका क्रम तुम तो क्या था यारो 1 by root 2 minus 1 या उब्रो सीधा 1 by root 2 minus 1 या उब्रा या उदे सुमाइन इवजु लेम दे rationalize तो बम लेते हैं so let's rationalize this कमाइना मखा दजो root 2 plus 1 मथक दजो root 2 plus 1 पुंजल यदि क्या तार है root 2 plus 1 खक ताने को जाए solve तो you will get this answer so the answer is root 2 plus 1 है क्या तरह नहीं लाइर है very simple चलो चलो now do the question ani tanga ho ki ge phase depend over angle da depend over so next question diagram hole diagram ye kan lo yaad ho ni question the amplitude and the periodic time of a simple harmonic motion are 5 centimeter and 6 second at a distance of 2.5 centimeter from min dagi 2.5 centimeter lapa jagada the face o kaya oido no have what will be the face option number a pi by 3 which is 60 pi by 4 45 degree pi by 6 30 degree now 5 times pi by 12 pi by 12 से क्या था इसी थी 1 by it by 12 6 2 6 30 15 75 something तारीरा फ्रैक्शन में तारे फ्रैक्शन दी तारो इसी खोत रहे जा रहे नाउ यार होल जे कमा करी हंगिनो जे एम्पलीट्यूड पीरव माना एम्पलीट्यूड से क्या नहीं हारीबा 5 सेंटीमीटर द कदवाई जगह द नखोने पुदोक तो इसे कदवाई जगह द हारो a by 2 that is 2.5 2.5 है बस a by 2 ना थ्रो ऋषि की जगह द फेस पुद हुआ बनी फेस क्या आता है रो सी की फेस क्या नो 0 सी की फेस क्या नो 30 that is pi by 6 नत्र हरगा सी 30 निको जाए हल्लकपगी ओरगना कया यू हाय 30 plus sorry 60 plus 90 which should be 150 यार बस यहाँ मतलब ऑप्शन दे दम तो याव दे देना so लाइन जी सी दंग यू यार बस यहाँ good so the angle is pi by 6 30 degree like रो now किदंग tricky होइबो question question खरा lengthy होय अदुना अइने ईरी कांद नोइसु सिलो अइने ईबन लोयर कांद होरेन होला कांद लोयर कांद नोइस सिलदि मतम या मांगनी अदुम आई मतम ngai roi ko so copy now question silaba two particles two particles are oscillating two particles are oscillating along to close parallel straight lines side by side side by side my salminare oscillate tominare with the same frequency and same amplitude. Same frequency and same amplitude about a common mean. About a common mean. Common mean hare. Yarba. Mean duma jamanan dore. They pass each other. They pass each other. Makoy nizi. Ama nama pass taunare. They pass each other. Moving in opposite direction. Moving in opposite direction. Moving in opposite direction. When their displacement when their when their displacement is half the amplitude. Half the amplitude. Find the phase difference. Find the phase difference of the two. Find the phase difference of the two when they meet. When they meet. When they pass each other do. Question je understand tawang ambre mo. Diagram yak tho. Pi by 6. B the 0. 2 pi by 3. D the na pi. Simple or ba? Particle anikak close parallel straight line ani khakta oscillate taunare side by side with the same frequency same amplitude about a common mean position to ma mana halaji adu sida mean ani maki mean si ma pa se lehelaje boko oscillate tawdore same amplitude hairaba same amplitude chalure chalure amu halaktore somda mu chaludore so sidane man oscillate taw leidus yandaraba same mean mapani the same min mapa oitargadi amplitude to chap manroidro same amplitude high ravanina yandarabo sibo khange ani amaduju sida nangi oscillate taw leidoni amaduju sigi ani sida oscillate taw leidoni amu halaktoini chat kitoini amu halakadoni kadawai jaga dano makoi une he they pass each other moving in opposite direction walking chali ne khalo handu hanjin chanari neba same jaga amadagi same jaga amagi about mabani mag walking chanminare to bodabu amana somda halakpa kanda amana asomda chale opposite oinarba de kadawai jaga da unai haidun haro when where will they meet kadai da haro when sina x equal to 0 ni kadawai jaga da no moi unai se aise kidang sahon ge kadai da unai hage displacement is half of the amplitude which is x equals to a by to the sida unai da unadoi natro to bodabu amasina right lom sakhi do amana left lom da lak to opposite oi dong ni yaraba ahan by case ida my angle kya wani adu what will be this phi 1 haro sigi initial phase the angle 0 haida ne a by 2 has angle kya no 30 I 30 and use the difference ne kan sin no ani yaraba chat ki wada di 30 warni halak pada di angle se kya ne hayo koina haro 90 plus 60 kya ta haro di 150 therefore phase difference haradi makoini gi phase difference haradi phi 2 minus phi 1 150 degree minus 30 degree kya ta haro 120 degree so the answer is 120 degree which is 2 pi by 3 agar mana यार है so tharo next topic angular simple harmonic motion. Now tharo angular simple harmonic motion. So next topic tharo angular simple harmonic motion. Last topic for this chapter. Ado akhoi kitang tricky oiba question kara ai hayang hochini. Hayang na complete ohelani simple harmonic motion. Next week we will be starting wave. Next week wave horani. Next week dum lotion web te koi kitang selective oina doge am exhaustive oina chang budo koi kana rowing khale web ka simple harmonic motion ka punjal laga question ha kani hadi ani se puna 3 question gumba ha kani so 2 question from simple harmonic motion web ta yama smile yam hangali yengazi next week taduma so tharo angular simple harmonic motion na sugumba execute to system haragadi yam samna pendulum pendulum andarava pendulum gi nangi swing tawudu tawudu sidazu mana hayang theory da yam kupthana mana hangake haradi pendulum ama laire se magi bob to gi mass m l duna length of this string du mass ya honde yawbam da naina roi khalornu simple pendulum naina do ne khodi nana sigi bob sigi je kai ko bokhoi bob sigi bob se nana kitang khak displace tawre har ga thado kanda suppose nang swaida kitang pukhala me har ga nana thado khrebje some nangi angles theta hai bama ade definitely ma just my halake da roidro halaga oscillate taw like rani there is simple harmonic motion taw one condition is this angle must be very small angle hex sauraba ade oscillate taw ne ba angang ge khoi haina ba swing haina ba du so nana kan se nang illaga hai haleba oscillate dum tawdro it is still an oscillation but simple harmonic motion hayade simple harmonic motion oige hardi linear dana force have some minus constant times x oidra sidana kay oido ba tog restoring should be some constant times theta never this is possible only when theta is very small now, theta must be very small otherwise simple harmonic motion oiroiba otherwise it will not be it will not be a simple harmonic motion oscillation di oini but simple harmonic motion oroi hang ni ko ja an angle ke do da hero very small kawya desima magi akoino frequency amsong time period ige haradi root over sima khangjal loba g net divided by l effective mathang makha confusion hang no ko ja chatanga hono time period hadi 2 pi by omega natra anu sida mathang makha onarani l effective divided by z net adudi akoina hoje aina tamdoise situation do gi na given situation on pire high reverse situation the g net kaya no high reverse situation the l effective kaya no adu dang khangalore adu sida dum sinjan yarba just like a linear simple harmonic motion da ju frequency have root over k by m tagidro situation to gi k kaya no khangai hono situation to gi mass equivalent mass kaya no yango spring ani combine to yaur khine ba koi hayang I doina ba du form lawai gari wai spring ani do series ta parallel da combine to radi k net habam lawaidra mass ani suramadi kamai to ba spring ama khakta mamangju khogi maningju animak mass hapseladi m1 m2 adi karma mass lawni m equivalent habam lawaidra adui massing du khangal lore adui ke khangal lore sinja law formula da taran chuma situation ama khoi khara hayeng nai nagi ge so ngasi ge khoina tawdu se kaino formula di silai re In this formula, G net kya tani, L effective kya tani. Adu dang ne bakoi khanga honda dus. Yaraba. L effective city L adum tani in all the cases. Simple harmonic motion. Simple pendulum. L effective is L itself. G is the never modify khagak toroka dus. So swai zema syllabus the yawi harzu yare, yaw de harzu yare. Adu isalamzi go the risk lowe ade. Here where haraga. So the yaw riba G net se kari hari baze. Net acceleration of the both. Net acceleration of the both, including the acceleration due to gravity. Including acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity yauraga haitare. Atai kari acceleration force ek tauri adugi net. Adugi L effective haibasina gari. Sina effective length ni. Effective length. That is distance from ceiling haizisam samna to center of mass of the bob. Bob to the center of mass pauga. Center of mass of the bob. Yangzi kama haigani. Ayam case L dum sinogosa. My center of mass fight the lakanu. Bob the am pick point low deni. L effective sin of a situation am lady. Am puzzle question. Center of mass the way center of mass the nainagada. Man hire bob say it is half filled with sand. Na sand to tam lick o hengre at my time period at home kay home. Yam naina azuma question is alam levedo. Revision the whole kini. This is half filled with sand. Tangkai man lengway hapet tangkai di empty ni. Magi sigi length sidi string dui length di period. Ada koi na khanga daba. Effective length pagere nang center of mass put over. This is the center of mass. Na center of mass tagi C bhaugi length ne koi na L effective has. Yanda kadra L effective har gadi nangi ceiling to dagi center of mass hoge arapa. Clear ba? The normal situations in jadi na koi na ayam baddi L di L adum low. L effective to the L adum low. Yarava? Now tharo systems executing simple harmonic motion. High reverse systems into the akoina putok to simply G net khatang putok to ni. L effective the L oizare. So I will just write G net only. Jaga se sinjal roko do dia. Now tharo system executing simple harmonic motion. Systems executing simple harmonic motion. Systems executing angular simple harmonic motion. Angular simple harmonic motion execute over systems in. Number one, icham chamba pendulum. Icham chamba simple pendulum. Bob to give mass m. I wrote the Bob see the ek toriba acceleration do kya no G. So G itself is your G net. Yaar what do So net acceleration is G. Adi omega kya ta mani G net ki mahota G. Time period hai kanda 2 pi root over L by Z. That's it. Yaraba. Next situation. Modify taurase. High rivanangi pendulum Z. Accelerating body amada hapsal already. Se gari ma lay re. Sidanang na lip kanogi gari gi ceiling to the gi. Bob to yanzalle. What will happen? Bob sigi nangi acceleration sing naina si eke lay GM atay di pseudo force ama maning the lakani pseudo force ugi acceleration kya tani A. This is pseudo acceleration. Pseudo force okay no MA. The mass na divide tawdi A dang hingoraba. So this is pseudo acceleration. The acceleration ani se perpendicular oinaraba. Net kya tani do de G net higher d root over G square plus A square. Chimtang di iramage. Therefore omega iba kanda G net ki moda zero idra square root manung da square root ang isan badi phajade g square plus a square haga power da half divided by l. That's it. Length so nai time period so ibam thoko euro. Next, pendulum inside a leaf. Leaf amai manung da pendulum half sa lor. Pendulum inside a leaf. Now pendulum inside a leaf. Leaf manung da pendulum ama thamjalor ji what will happen? Haro pendulum inside a leaf. Number 3, pendulum inside a leaf. Leaf amagi manungda pendulum thamukanda what will happen? Situation ohum nainaji accelerating upward ama siranagi pendulum yale hanudi direct figure excel ani bob ki tungan yela roy amana accelerating downward. From now on I will find only g net formula nasani sin zero mass l accelerating downward. Accelerating downward the fajaba situation am lairi free fall. Downward acceleration to g ga manaradi what will happen? What will happen? Now adudi tharo sida nangi g ka wamat lairamani ataidi pseudo acceleration which is downward opposite to this acceleration. Adi g net kya tare haro sida g plus a direction jab manament plus tawre hanakti sida na haro g ma makhada laire pseudo na mathakta adi g net kya tare g minus a g net ki jagah se sinjal ro formula du da sida di sida g net kya tani g sida laire g ma pseudo am lagtore a ga g ga mane haraba adu kya taise zero si di iram age special oina so aduna omega kya tarni si haru root over g net by l natro kya tae zero and time period kya tare du dia infinity. What does it mean? My heining is a kaino du desida frequency zero have adadi frequency laitre sugan halak havani time period infinity have adadi halazo infinity matungda. In short, there is no oscillation high nev. There is no oscillation at all. So freely falling system amagi manungda pendulum ama yanjaluradi it will not oscillate at all. How hard you try it will never oscillate and dagadra no oscillation at all if the pendulum is inside a free fall. See using the formula to kaino haro root over g net to the divided by l na divide tawro you'll get the answer. Yare ko sa yare. Next. Number 4, when an electric field is applied electric field में apply tawsalu targadi my frequency the kariyo hum bala kani what will be the frequency? Number 4, when electric field is when electric field is applied electric field E is applied electric field में apply tawsalu targadi bob to su charge puram gadauba charge pudadi electric field apply tawzu kaim kai deko ja if nangi sigi bob to gi mass m my charge to q. Let us take this as positive to make the situation simple. Leng l haro electric field to som the apply tawreva left lom the left to right atopa situation amana leng leire mass leire magi charge q. Let us take this positive electric field is applied upward. What will happen? Sisira nangi G net kya tane haro? G ko ba acceleration ma lai electric force ama lani high river force to the lag by acceleration A. Force by mass. Force kya tani QE divided by M. The G net kya ta haro? G net will be root over G square plus Q square E square by M. Se pune E kya? QE by M ko whole square. Taro idhar se. So formula adhar si sinjal ro. Very simple. सीधा ना G net क्या आता होगा? My diagram एक थोड़ी acceleration due to gravity G electric force की acceleration है मा electric force QE ना थ्रो divided by mass. अब G net क्या आता है रो? Opposite ओ इनरा मिना G minus QE by N QE by M. Substitute and you will get the frequency and time period. Now last situation है मा U shape ओए but tube अमा खक्ता. There is U tube too. U shape ओए but tube अमा खक्ना ना इसिंग हापसे लेहर करना कितंग नी उरदी नी अगर थमे इसिंग के level तो सुमाय higher level इधर oscillate टो लेनी अदु की frequency क्या होनी water inside U tube नंगोद्रवा से नंगदवे सिसु तुम तोर्स कोना सिंजन बाहायबम सु लेदाइने now यंगो सिदा तौबदबु यंगो सिदा खोइना याम कुप्थन हंगादी assumption खर लौरी सिदा derivation तौब कांदा सिगी thickness is very small si yam small oibani haina assume taudoba otherwise derive to yaro adi isingi level do mana sida water column do sida hape do si height se mana pireba height side na hanang na formula do da kari idoba L effective e badu da heights iro adu g net na g dang iro adi kya tar hero frequency will be root over g by h or time period na 2 pi root over h by g. That's it. So minor see the situation lower hai देखो इन लास्ट टॉपिक हम दिवाली सो लेट्स डिस्कस इट सेकंड पेंडुलम चेंजलो so YouTube ta nang horen kitang bak law ni already adu kana nang water level ani do oscillate taw laini oscillate taw by frequency ro silere root over z by h or time period 2 pi root over h by g last topic tharo second pendulum सीधा तुम था जी last topic second pendulum second pendulum have the gaino ani suba pendulum ngasai mamang idon ahan mane first pendulum anma you ko so second pendulum have the kai hanu mai what is the definition only one definition sida henam ambo khanganu definition is time period 2 second oiba second pendulum is a pendulum whose time period is 2 second that's it 1 second ate ko 2 second time period 2 second oiba si khakta bo koina second pendulum koi ate kem khanguru of the high river second pendulum ji earth surface thamutar gadi ma ye length kya hoidonu time di fix ni ko sia si hong bu adre for any second pendulum anywhere the thamu art thamgera munda thamgera nagi space thamugera thamu my time period kya hoidoba 2 clear ad on earth surface di second pendulum की length क्या होम थोई earth surface ता जगह जगह खुदिंग की length खेना रहने बा time दी खेना गदरा खेना याद रहे definition है अपनी ना on earth surface ता length of second pendulum is 1 meter ने सिम कावरनो अर्थ सरफेस की दनी को जे अतोप सरफेस अदे अतोप ददी चेंज तौगी नेबा प्रूफ मचाम तौगे हाउ shall we prove this time period has it 2 pi root over l by g natro second pendulum की time क्या होई दोबा 2 होंगे यारो इसे फिक्स नेबा 2 दुगा खरबा स्क्वायरिंग हम तौसलु अदी सिदा सोमदा 1 तारे असोमदना कया pi square अदी l by g थोलकप्रा रूट मांगरे pi square की वैल्यू से क्या ने हाई रखोना माजू 9.8 10 मयानी जी जो क्या 10 9.8 कथन यार बदे दे लें क्या तारे 1 मीटर कदा वाइदा दु इंपॉर्टेंट है earth surface अतोप जगह दा g की वैल्यू होंगी नहीं देना g होंगदी accordingly l होंगोइद्रो टाइम दी फिक्स होई ग्रेबा if g decreases l must decrease g increase होगा ना l increases इसलिए मुझे आइदा at other places if g decreases then l must also decrease must decrease होते यारो and if g increases l must increase example the on moon surface the moon की surface है g on moon जी क्या है what is the value of g g by 6 g on the earth divided by 6 the length क्या था मनी so therefore implies length on the moon will be length on the earth divided by 6 second pendulum की को है earth length क्या था है बनो 1 meter so it is 1 by 6 meter 0 point something लावा that's it so सुमाइना सीधा लोइरे अन काउरोइदबा सेकंड पेंडुलम हाइरेडी कैदोगदबा टाइम पीरियड इज 2 सेकंड फिक्स सीनेब डेफिनेशन जगह जगह दा मागी लेंग होंगदे याररोय टाइम फिक्स होइग्रामिना आर्ट की सरफेस लेंग क्या नो हाइरो फॉर सेकंड पेंडुलम 1 मीटर लेंग 1 मीटर हेक्दा हाइगा नो सेकंड की दी लेंग 1 मीटर टाइज कदा वाइदनो अर्थ सरफेस मुंददी क्या ता 1 by 6 यार यार से लो सो हयेंग ना लास्ट क्लास होइदनी सिंपल हार्मोनिक मोशन की